Hey there, are you struggling to track your team productivity or manage projects efficiently? Welcome to Hubstaff, the ultimate platform for time tracking, project management, and boosting team performance. Whether you're managing remote workers, freelancers, or in office team, Hubstaff provides real-time insight and tool to streamline workflows and improve accountability. In this step-by-step video, I will walk you through how to use Hubstaff to track time, monitor activity levels, and manage projects and generate actionable reports. So before we get started, let's break down what makes Hubstaff stand out. According to their website, Hubstaff is a powerful tool designed to help businesses and monitor productivity. So before, first of all, we just need to go and click on free 14 days trial. If you have an account, then you can just go simply and sign in here. First of all, you have to just enter your name, then your last name and your work email here, password, and click on agree to the terms and condition. Click on continue. By the way, there's a no credit card required further in this video. Now, just to verify, an email will be sent to your email box here. Just go and click on here, click on confirm email. It will redirect to a new page, which is basically hub stuff here. Now, first of all, it will ask you to create an organization. Now, it's really important to create an organization, right? And by the way, if your organization is already using hub stuff here, then just go and click on request access to join. Now, the admin will give you access to join and you will able to join in your organization. So simply just go and click on create organization. Now put your organization name here. Let's say we'll just write here Filex Express. Right now enter the website, it's optional. You can invite your team member from here. So you can invite your user, manager, whatever it is, right? And you can simply copy this code and send it on the Slack or whatever communication media handles you're using, and they will able to join through the link. Now once you have done this, just go and click on get started. After this, you can choose a plan here, right? So by the way, you can always just go and click on give me a full comparison plan. There's an optional add-ons which you can add on, but you can just always it is extra charges here. I will pick a plan later. Let's see that how's the dashboard, and I just want to explain you there. Now it's really easy thing to do. The dashboard is pretty simple to understand. It's really simple. Now let's get started from here. Now that your account is set up, let's dive into tracking time. Here's how you can do it efficiently. You can enable automatic time tracking. Now what is that? So if you just go to dashboard, obviously it will give you a bird eye view of everything what is happening on your company in your organization. And it will show which member is active from which country and at what specific time, right? It will show you the activity member here, activity job sites, and it will show you the weekly activity. You can download on the application, right? And you can just view it. You don't need to open your laptop and just visit the website. Now you can just track each and everything or have a look over your phone. Now at the same time it will show you the active job site, so you can just go and click on view. Now the map will show you the location of team member using the mobile app along with the routes and job sites. So here, this is pretty much easy. You can track the exact GPS location, and that sounds a little bit, that obviously it's crazy. This is a live section, so you can see here exactly live section, all the job sites. This is a past section, and in the past section you can go back into the dates and you can check the activities. Now the insights, so basically the activity level, app usage, and ideal time to understand how time is being spent, and enable screenshot capturing to verify work progress and ensure transparency, right? So these tools provide accurate insight info how time is being utilized and how it help you to identify area of improvement. Right, so this is called insights here, and this is it will boost your team productivity. Basically, it is going to help you track each and everything through screenshot, and there's a lot of features which I will explain you right here. Right now, managing projects and tasks is essential for keeping your team organized, and there's a lot of things. So here you can see that it will show you the unusual activity, right? And this is it will show you the exactly which member of your team is happening and what is happening, right? And in the performance tab here, if you just go to the insight in the performance, it will show you how much time is utilized, right? And whether it is hitting the target or it is not hitting the target, and work time classification. So there's a no data register in the time period section, but once your employees start working on from all over the world, automatically every data will show up here. Right now, if you do a lot of meetings, then you can just use a Google Meets or just use a Microsoft Teams, right? And you can connect with it, and it will show you the exactly how much time you spend in what work and what kind of work. In the unusual activity, you will able to identify a lot more here. You can export this data and you can check for the older dates too. Right now, this is called smart notification. Now, if there's any suspicious activities going on, it will give you a much more notification directly on your phone or on your devices. If there's a member overworking, right, it will give you notification. Member underworking, it will give you notification. By the way, you can add a templates, right? You can see here there's a much more thing here. You can get an email hourly, you can add it, right, or whatever job section you like to do. So that is really good. Now this is a location, so it will show you the exact location of all your team member working on, and you will able to find it, right? I guess I've already shown this part here. Same goes, this is a job site, so it will show the job site here. And this is a project management. So as I told you, you can just go to the project section and click on add projects. So let's say this is one of the project. You can create a new project from here on the top right side corner and do all the settings here, right? Pretty much easy to do here. Do this, and in the edit section you can just go and add your team member, right? And there's a teams, right? You can define due date, priorities, and estimate hours to ensure clarity. You can monitor task status in real time from not started to in progress and completed. These tools help you stay on top of your project timelines and ensure accountability across your team. So this is how you can just use exactly all this function. And there's a much more. For example, you can see here calendars. So if a task has been given to a specific team member, you can schedule them. And if that team member, for example, you can just go and click on action here, create shift. So you can create a shift, just add a team member name here, right? And once you do this, you can set a shift duration, the time, and the due date, the ending time. You can set exactly minimum hours, right? Whether it's repeating it, whether it's weekly, and on which day it is going to repeat, right? So you can just save it and automatically it will add it, right? So this, in this way, you can just schedule a specific task to a specific member here, right? And that is really interesting. By the way, if a member is taking a time off, so they can just put a time off in case of sickness or holidays or festivals or public holidays. So they can just add a policy, right? You can create a policy that we give holidays on this specific date. You can take holiday days on this specific date here. And I mean, that's a company policy, right? So in that way you can just write it, show it up. Now this is called reports, right? Now this is a time and activity. Obviously it will give you a complete report regarding where the time is being used here. Same way in performance, right? And that is all this information really useful. I guess I've already explained this part, right? Now if we just go to the people, it will show all the team member which is working on your dashboard. I mean, obviously there will be a lot more people on your organization, but the people which are working on your dashboard will shown up here. Right now, you can give them access, right? You can remove them, you can add it, you can just give the information, you can edit, remove, and you can reset password. And there's a lot of functions, right? Now this is a financial section, right? I don't know, there's a bug or something. Whenever I just go and click on any section, automatically the inside section get open. So you can connect your preferred payment system and automate payroll, send payment directly through HubSpot based on hours worked, and set pay rate for your team here, right? So that is really useful. You can create directly from here the payments and everything. Wise is pretty much good. The charge is very less, but you can just go with a PayPal, Payoneer, and there's a lot much more here. All the integration you can manage it from here. For example, let's say I want to connect to the Wise. I will just go and click on here and ensure my Wise account is set up as a business account. Enable two-factor authentication, add balance to your Wise account. Just go and click on next here, right? And automatically you will able to add account. You just need to sign into Hubstaff, right? And automatically the Wise account will get integrated here. The billing is regarding the charges regarding HubSpot, right? Hubstaff. So here you can see that you can do the add-ons. I guess I've already explained in the start of the video, but if you choose to buy it, you can always buy it. There's a link given in the description. So there you have it, a complete step-by-step guide to using Hubstaff for time tracking and productivity management. Whether you're monitoring productivity, assigning tasks, or analyzing performance, Hubstaff has the tools to help you succeed. or analyzing. And if this video helped you, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more software tutorials. Want to learn more about Hubstaff? Thanks. Just comment down in the comment section. Thanks for watching.